In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to apply LUT, which means adding a preset color look to your footage instantly. LUT stands for Lookup Table. It's basically a color preset that changes the overall tone, contrast, and colors of your video. Let's begin. First, select the clip on your timeline, go to the Lumetri color panel, look for the basic correction section. You'll see an option called Input LUT. Click on the drop down if you already have LUT installed, though you can select one directly from the list. If you want to import a LUT, click Browse. Now select the LUT file from your computer. It's usually a .cube file. Click Open. Immediately you'll see the color of your footage change. If the effect looks too strong, you can scroll down and adjust the sliders like exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows to fine-tune the look. For better control, you can also apply LUT to an adjustment layer so it affects multiple clips at once. That way, first you can color grade your entire scene consistently. And that's it. You now know how to apply a LUT in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.